Well, here this morning, California firefighters trying to figure out if it was a meteorite that caused a house fire there. Several witnesses described a bright ball of light falling from the sky last week. NASA says there were meteor showers with an increased number of fireballs in that area over the weekend.
Heard a big bang. I started to smell smoke, and I went onto my porch, and it was completely engulfed in flames. I've always watched meteor showers and stuff as a kid, but I definitely didn't look forward to them landing in my yard or through my roof.
I did not see what it was, but from everybody I talked to, it was a flaming ball falling from the sky.
Well, astronomers estimate there is a 1 in 700,000 chance you could be hit by a meteorite. Not news I want to hear, Carson Meredith.
Well, I think that's the Lord telling us something if our house ever gets hit by a meteor.
I would go to church the following Sunday, I guarantee you.
I'm telling you. Well, fortunately, we don't have to worry about anything like that today, but we may be on record watch yet again. That is the view of the Way 31 Skycam network. We've got temperatures in the upper 50s to low 60s as you head out the door on this election day. Good bit of cloud cover starting to move in, but it's that thin, wispy cloud cover. We'll still have a good bit of sunshine all day, and we'll stay dry on the Way 31 Storm Tracker early warning radar network. We hit 82 in Huntsville and Muscle Shoals yesterday. That's where we're heading yet again today. But it may not quite be a record today. The record was broken yesterday, but today's record is 83. I don't expect us to get quite to that 83-degree mark, but we'll certainly be making another run for those record November temperatures yet again. But this is the last hot day for quite some time. Future radar with those temperatures showing us in the low 80s with that mix of sun and clouds throughout the day. But later on tonight, we have a cold front moving in, a backdoor cold front. You may have never heard of that phrase. It's basically a cold front that comes in from the north and east instead of the north and west, which is what most cold fronts typically do. Bottom line, it's going to be less humid tonight, and it will be cooler as well. When you wake up Wednesday morning, our temperatures in the upper 40s to low 50s wherever you are. And we'll call tomorrow a Chamber of Commerce day. Plenty of sunshine, not much in the way of clouds. Highs for most in the low 70s Wednesday, upper 60s likely for our higher terrain. Then you see those clouds start to blanket North Alabama Wednesday night, and that's ahead of subtropical storm Nicole. We just mentioned a few minutes ago, it will likely strengthen into a Category 1 hurricane as it gets closer to Fort Lauderdale late Wednesday night, early Thursday morning. Notice the track of Nicole moves northwestward closer to Jacksonville as we get towards Friday morning, and then it makes a hard right turn back into Georgia and the Carolinas. So for us here at home, that means just a glancing blow from Nicole as it moves inland. This is 11 o'clock Thursday night. You see the bulk of the rain to our east, but we'll have a few showers, especially east of I-65 Thursday night, staying with us through the first half of Friday. And then Nicole quickly moves off into the Carolinas like we mentioned. As Nicole moves out, a very powerful cold front moves in. No moisture with this front. It'll stay dry as it moves in, I should say, Friday night and Saturday morning. And once it moves through, the fall chill is here and it's sticking around. Saturday 54, Sunday 51. Plenty of sunshine. It's going to be a gorgeous weekend, just downright cold compared to where we've been so far this week. Sunday morning, we'll likely see those temperatures around 30 here in the city and in the 20s in outlying areas. And again, that chill, once it gets here, it's sticking around. We will remain in the low 50s through most of next week. So if you're a fan of this warmer weather, you got a few more days. But if you like the cooler weather like Chris Tatum does, just look forward to that weekend forecast.
Sitting by the